Hi, I will in this video I will create a class for empty days. Uh, like you should enter a activity record, but you didn't. You forget to enter. So I want to show you the missing days to in a field in activity form. For that, I will create a class which calculates the days for us and returns a string for that, and I will show this string to our forms. Okay, let's start. First, let's create our design object. For design, let's focus on this one. This one is perfect. The last video we added some totals here, and we can add this empty date to here too. Let's create a string here. Empty day or missing date. Let's look at the property, and I want to select multi-line for this string because I want to create every date every day line. Okay. Also, uh, let's auto declaration. Yes. Uh, Sorry. Also, let's create a label. Okay. Now it's perfect. Now let's talk about how we will gonna fill this. Uh, we have too many items, one for my activities, one for all activities. And if I enter with my activities, I should see my empty days. But if I enter with total activities, I want to see everyone. For everyone, we can create a new, uh, maybe new table for users because we need a record for this one. But for educational purpose, I will select all activities and group by employees, and I will use this data to check empty days. So let's create a class and call from form later. Adding new item, of course, code class, and is the uh, mm, show. Okay, so if the activity show and activity days, something like that. Okay. Now I need some methods here. First of all, I can create a run method for this class, and also if I want to run this directly, I need to add main method, but I will talk about classes later. This time I just want to return a data, a string data. So let's create a global variable first. Sorry. Okay. This is the empty day set. Okay. Of course, I don't need this. So we will we will need some data from our form. So I can write a method with parameters, but it's not the best way to do it. It is the best. There is a best way to get data from another where is use par method in AX in X++. So let's create some par methods for our variables. First, we need start date. Let's create start date, start date, and date, and date. Also, okay. Now let's create par methods for our variables. This is the standard method type. You can copy and create other ones to start date. Date. Forget this one. Okay. Now I have these methods, so I can run. Can create my run method here. Now I need some variables first. Let's create this one, activity table. Sorry, I'm not sure if I had to add any date filter. I will not add any date filter. I don't want this one. Just employee. Okay. Of course, we can add if there is a worker selected this record. Let's copy from here. We need something like no, something like this. Okay. Needs value here. Okay. Now uh, we need to we need a loop for dates. For that, we can use our start date and end date, of course. For that, let's create a trans date before because we will need this one. So let's create a for, and first is equal start date. Okay. Now trans date today. Okay. Also translate plus one. Okay. With this code, I will loop all days until today with start of this month. So it's perfect, but uh, it's not it's not good to uh, put Sundays and Saturday, I think. So let's eliminate these days. For that, we can use day of week function. Day of week. With day of week, uh, we can write something like that, different from 6 and different from 7. Okay, we eliminate weekends. Now we need to look if there is a record for these days. So I need another activity record. Mm, if there is an activity at that date, I don't want to write anything. But if there is no activity for that date, uh, of course, we forget to add related worker. Sorry, let's add related worker. This story. Okay, if record is not exist, we will create a string for this one. I want like this. Let's use make a function. Hmm, uh, okay, let's this this day user. It's enough. This shows empty days, so it's perfect, I think. So let's write here first day, so we can enter trans date here, and we use employee here. For employee, we need to select HMA worker. Okay, I think I forgot to add something. Sorry. Okay, we don't need this in X++. Maybe we can write first only. Okay, now it's better. Now, actually, our class is ready. Use promptly here. Our class is ready. Let's use this class in our form. I'm returning to my calc totals method here, and I will use my class here. Activity. Sorry, let's copy this one. First, I think I tried wrong. Let's change this one. Okay. It and it worker if they exist, of course. And now, sorry, now run, and now we can assign to our control. Okay, sorry. Now let's start. Sorry. Let's look at our project. Sorry, it's not a value set array. It must be text. Okay. Now let's start and check if it is worked. Okay, now it's opened and there are some problems. First, it's working, so I can see my empty days, but user name is not coming. Also, I forget to create new lines every time. So let's look at go back project and look at our class again. First, let's give a new line here. For new line, you can write like this. And we use this for employee, but let's use worker rec ID instead and start again. Okay, now I can see names here. It's my activities. Let's enter all activities. Hmm. In all activities, I lost worker here. Let's look at that too. Actually, I need this one. Sorry. Before I use this one, this is not the correct one. I need actually this group by value for that. Let's start again. Okay, now I have two different person here, and when I looked here, okay, I see two different person. And only empty days, sorry, as you can see, it only shows empty days with proper day. So, uh, for example, 6 was Sunday for this one, and we don't have 6 here. You can see it's 4 and 7, 8. Now our code is work fine. Of course, it's not the best way to show these here, but I want to show you how you can manage something like that. So in this video, we create a new class for empty days, and we called this class from our form. Now it's working fine, and as you can see, we need some testing for our code. It's the best way to test your code first time because you can't be sure if it is working or not. So you should always test. I will continue to add some functionality to our activity form later, and I will continue to create new videos about this project. I hope it's helping. Happy Daxing.